This is a composite slab. It is a composite slab. When we talk of composite slab, it is a slab that is done using more than one material. So let's say a composite slab, it is a slab that is done using, for example, you can use concrete and steel. So you can use steel. I talk of steel beams and the concrete, and then also maybe you can do some sheet for you do the I section beams, steel I section beams to suspend the slab, and then on top of those I section beams then you can place a metal sheet, and then you do your concrete. So as you can see from the illustration, that's what we mean by a composite slab. But for this one, it is a composite slab done using timber deckings, or rather timber deck. So the timber has been placed at a spacing of let's say 200 millimeter apart, and then we have another timber, a flat timber, or a 6 by 1 or 8 by 1 timber laid on top of these timber beams. And then now there is I don't know if they did some concrete on top of this timber deck, but actually this is the soffit. What we are seeing, this is the soffit. So our point, or rather my point of actually showing this soffit is you see the alignment is actually, or rather it has been done very nicely, such that if you were to do a ceiling, then it could be very easier, or rather it will be easier, because this timber that has been used as supports, these timber beams that have been used as supports, actually they can also be used as joist for ceiling. So you can just anchor your ceiling that is on this timber without adding more brandering, or rather without doing more ceiling joists. So it was just to show that this composite slab, if you are to do a ceiling, then you'll have minimized the expense of adding more timber joist, that is to anchor your ceiling on. So this is a composite slab, but I am not sure of what type of composite slab is, because this is just the soffit of the slab. It is the soffit of the slab, that is the beneath of the slab. So you can see this is the walling. This is a wall, and then we have some door provisions that is on the wall. But the soffit, you can see the ceiling soffit. This is how it looks. So this is a ceiling soffit. So you can remember, or rather you know, that actually for a concrete slab, the soffit doesn't look like this. The soffit is always, maybe if you use marine ply, that is if you cast a concrete suspended slab that is using marine ply formwork, if you remove the marine ply formwork, it normally appears to be smooth and it shows that it is just concrete. But for this one, this is a composite slab done using timber deck. So this is the soffit of this timber deck. So actually when it comes to doing the ceiling, that's beneath, or rather on this soffit, then it will be much easier, because in terms of cost, you would have saved the expense of using timber joist, or rather doing more timber joist, because these these timber beams can still be used as the ceiling joist to anchor your ceiling. So you can see this is the soffit. This is the soffit. But then the reason why I'm saying it's a composite slab, if you come now on top of the slab, you see it is concrete. So this is the concrete. But at the bottom, the slab is supported using the timber deck. The slab is supported using the timber deck. But on top, they have placed concrete. You see, this is concrete. So that's why I'm saying it's a composite slab. It's a composite slab.